Hi, Peter Carruthers here again. The team at Systeme.io have just set up a new payment gateway for South Africa, and this is a quick introduction to it because it's really fast. The local company is Paystack. They've just been taken over by Stripe, one of the world's leading gateways, if not the world's leading gateway. And this makes it very, very easy to integrate this payment platform into Systeme.io. I won't go into everything that Paystack offers because the only thing we're worried about is, will they accept money from anybody in the world and put it into our bank account in South Africa? Yes, they will. Click on the green Create Free Account in the top right-hand corner. Fill in the details, which are relatively simple. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Create My Account button. I'm assuming that you have a Systeme.io account. If you don't, they're not only the most complete business engine available in the world, but they're also the cheapest, and they're also about the only complete business engine that has a payment gateway for South Africa. This makes it a no-brainer to use them. There's a link in the description below this video that will give you access to their free version. If you already have an account, simply click on the Settings button, top right-hand side of your screen, and then click on the Payment Gateways button, top left-hand side, as you can see with the arrow. Then click on the Connect button alongside the Paystack logo. Add your secret access token from your Paystack account. And when you select your account, you should only have one at Paystack, so this is going to be easy. And that's it. Simple. You can start selling. Just below the video, you will find links for Systeme.io and Paystack. I also offer free training on using Systeme.io for small business owners. So if you're interested, you should see a link on your screen right about now. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. And if you found this useful, please comment. Both of those help me immensely.